Playtime with Plant-Based Kids. I'm Professor S and I specialize in astronomy and discovering rocks and animals.
I'm Dr. E and I specialize in healthcare and mathematics.
I'm Professor T and I specialize in magic and technology. So, what are we playing today?
I'm glad you asked, Professor S. We are going to be doing National Geographic Mega Science Series. Ooh. And this series is stunning science.
1G.
This is so cool. There's so many experiments that you can do. It says 45 each experiments. And there's also a book where you can do experiments at home. So each of us are going to be picking one experiment from this very box. And they are going to be showing you guys how to do it. So let's get to it.
This science kit is awesome. It has all the tools you need to be a scientist. It has a book that has all the directions to perform your experiments. It has a nice map. We also got some cleaning brushes, a volcano mode, and some syringes. We also have scoops and cups, and goggles and gloves to protect yourself. It also comes with all the chemicals you need to conduct your science experiment. So let's get started on our first experiment.
Safety first.
Whoa! That's so cool!
Hey guys, thank you guys for joining us on Playtime with Plant-Based Kids.
And I really recommend this National Geographic chemistry set because you learn so much and it's really fun. So don't forget to come with us again on another Playtime with Plant-Based Kids. We'll see you later. Bye!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on Plant-Based Kids.
Woo!